Once you've placed your sauna or steam room order with us, Ian and our sales team raises it into our system.
And then Jules contacts each customer to make sure their individual needs are met.
Then Matt raises it for production and it goes down to our factory. Manufacturing orders that Matt raised arrive into the factory on these tablets. Our raw materials come in and are cut to length in the saw shop.
To be assembled into parts and components for the saunas and steam rooms in a factory.
The cut to length parts then arrive in our somewhat noisy factory,
Where they're assembled into the sauna panels on these workbenches. The final parts, such as these bench kits and sauna panels, are wrapped up and put onto the racking, ready to go.
where they're then picked and packed into a complete sauna along with heaters, accessories, aromas and any other optional extras the customer chooses.
Complete saunas sent out to our happy customers.
To enjoy in their homes and businesses.